அனைவருக்கும் மாலை வணக்கம். திரு S.M. Nasar, Minister for Milk and Dairy Development, Thiru T.J. Govindarajan, Member of Legislative Assembly, Thiru S. Viswanathan, Managing Trustee, Shankar Kripa Educational Medical Trust, Dr. Albi John Varghese, District Collector of the District, Thiru M.A.M.R. Muthaiya, Chairman, Chettinad Group, Thiru P. Palniswamy, Chief General Manager, Canara Bank, distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be here today at Thandalam for the inauguration of Shankara Rural Medical Center set up by Sri Shankara Kripa Educational and Medical Trust. I am delighted to be here in Thandalam village, which is the birthplace of Shankaracharya Sri Shankara Vijayananda Saraswati Swamingal. Sri Kanchi Kamkoti Peetham is aimed to serve the needy people. Apart from the spiritual activities, now with the blessings of Jagat Guru Shankaracharya, numerous institutions were set up in the society as a whole, especially focused on culture and heritage, Veda, spiritual, Vidya, education, and Vedya, healthcare. In the healthcare segment, Hindu Mission Hospital, Child Trust Hospital, Shankara Netralaya, and Shankara Eye Hospital, established across the country, are managed by the respective charitable trusts. The Shankara Multi-Speciality Hospital was set up in 2009 with the objective of providing relief and succor to the needy population and around Kanchipura. The hospital has been extending emergency care for cardiac patients and dialysis facilities for patients with kidney disorders. Hospital has been a sought after destination for emergency case, as it has the necessary wherewithal in the form of doctors and equipment to handle critical care. In deference to the desire of His Holiness, a small well-equipped rural clinic was set up in Thandalam village in the year 2019, so as to provide affordable health care to the needy people. Sri A.G. Narayan Iyer family, Wakam, has donated land for setting up the rural medical center. It is our bounden duty to appreciate his gesture for having donated the land in the interest of the society as a whole. It aims to extend affordable and compassionate care to all who need medical facilities. I am told that in order to ensure qualitative care, an MAU has been drawn with Chettinad Hospitals, who is pioneer in the field of providing utmost care to delivering the medical services. I am very happy to hear that only rupees 10 will be charged. Am I correct? Wonderful. Only 10 will be charged from the patients as consultation fee. and medicines will be provided free of cost. In case of any emergencies, patient will be shifted to Chettinad Hospital with the help of their ambulance. I appreciate that the cost of treatment is highly subsidized and is affordable by patients, each and every one. I am very much confident Shankara Rural Medical Center with the medical management of Chettinad Hospital will discharge their functions in an excellent manner and beyond people's expectations. Donald M. Barbic was President Emeritus and Senior Fellow at the Institute of Healthcare Improvement and former Administrator, Center for Medicare and Medical Services, and also a top pediatrician at Harvard, USA, said, here I quote what he said, renowned man of the world from Harvard University. I quote, those who suffer need you to be something more than a doctor. They need you to be a healer. And to become a healer, you must do something even more difficult than putting your white coat on. You must take your white coat off. You must recover, embrace, and treasure the memory of your shared frail humanity, of the dignity each and every soul. Unquote. Our country has a great and glorious past in medical education and medical sciences. Susruta, Jiva Kumar Bakka and Charaka were famous medical experts of ancient time who showed the world how to treat diseases and illness. At a time when surgeries in England were done primitively, most complex surgery were being performed in India by well-trained surgeons, a glorious past of our country in medicine, surgery. Susruta is credited with the performing advanced surgeries, including plastic and reconstructive surgery. Susruta was not just a great surgeon, but also a great teacher. He used to advise his students that however well-read they could be, they were not competent to treat disease until they had practical hands-on experience. He taught his students surgical skill by making incisions on the skin of fruits. How did he train on the fruits? He practiced surgery to his students. He also taught them how to remove foreign bodies from flesh by demonstrating the extraction of seeds from the fruit. His students were known to have practiced on dead animals and on leather bags filled with water before they performed surgeries on patients. They were totally confident before they touched the human body. It is a matter of great significance to see that this hospital is being located in a rural area, which gives me satisfaction and happiness. Let me summarize by saying that the mission before us is to make health care comprehensive, universal, affordable, and qualitatively professional. For achieving this object, the road ahead is going to be complex and arduous. It is important for us to work together in a constructive manner to fight common enemy, that is disease. All of us should join hands, march together so that we achieve success. I wish to conclude by saying that the members of the medical profession are not merely doctors to the patient. They are saviors and the pain-relieving messiahs. In the word of the famous French philosopher Voltaire, I again quote, "Those who are occupied in the restoration of health to others by the joint exertion of skill and humanity are above all the great of the earth. They even partake of divinity, since to preserve and review is almost as noble as to create." I appreciate the efforts of Sri Shankar Kripa Education and Medical Trust who have shown enterprise pioneering these efforts of setting up a medical center in a backward area. They deserve our praise and support. I wish to conclude by wishing them well. May success greet them at every step in their journey, whose quest is to bring quality medical care with the reach of the local community. I also request all the people of Tamil Nadu to follow the government guidelines regarding COVID-19 scrupulously. Follow the corona appropriate behavior protocols. Wear masks. Use hand sanitizers. Keep social distancing and stay safe. Nandri Vanakkam. Jai Hind. Jai Tamil Nadu.